This sign needs to be huffed and puffed and ripped down.
Come on, let's go.
I need a complaint
I
form.
need you to step out. Come on, I need you to step
Whoa,
out.
you putting hands on me? What are you doing?
Here we go again, folks. This channel is called Easy Cameras On, and he's from the Bronx area. This guy was recording in the 48th precinct, and he was arrested for recording inside the lobby. I did make a phone call. You guys are going to hear that at the end of the video. I talked to a three-striper named Russo. You know we don't like to call them sergeants, folks. That's a military term. We're not supposed to be at war with the people here. But this three-chevron thug could not state a penal code nor a law. He basically said it was police policy not to record in there. As you guys know, I do fib sometimes when I call the police departments. I let them know that I'm from a police support group, which you guys already know I'm non-biased here. I'm neither for nor against police. I'm against bad policing. I want to give a huge shout out to Knowledge is Power LA for reaching out to me right away as soon as it happened. I did screen record the video and he also sent it to me. I also want to give a huge shout out to Brooklyn Audit, who's been out there challenging these policies. He's been arrested recently as well. Another shout out goes to Trot Golfer, who made some phone calls. And because of all this unity, we're able to pinpoint exactly what's happening out there. And thanks to these smaller channels who are going inside these precincts to actually really want to make a difference for the better. I want to give a shout out to Good Guy Audits and Eli as well, who are out there. And I'm not going to say anything bad about one of the bigger channels in New York, but I do want to say that we don't really see this bigger channel out helping anybody else but himself. What I'd like you guys to do is go to that channel if you know who I'm talking about. Let them know in the comment section with San Joaquin, Knowledge is Power LA, Brooklyn Audits, Easy Cameras On. We really support the First Amendment auditing community, and we really do support each other. We have each other's back out here. We don't just get support from a liberal propaganda group like the Young Turks. You guys catch my drift? All right, folks, you're going to hear my phone call at the end of the video. Definitely watch this clip. Go subscribe to Easy Cameras On. I'm going to drop everybody's link in the description and in the pinned comment. Thank you all for supporting each other out here from California all the way to New York. From sea to shining sea. Thank you guys for all the support that you give me and all the channels. Here we go, folks. Let's get right to it.
All right, here we go. 48th precinct. Watch them act crazy right now. I'm about to go in there. I'm about to get on my Brooklyn shit. I need a FOIA request and a complaint form on a police officer. All right, we got. Who's on? Welcome to the squad. We got victims, one posters, precinct community.
Sir,
I need a FOIA request and I need a complaint form.
yeah, but you cannot record it.
Yeah, what law is that?
You cannot record in this.
What law?
I'm telling you, you cannot.
You telling me, but
Sign right there. Look at it says. Notice no cell phone recording.
nobody. This is not. This sign needs to be huffed and puffed and ripped down.
Come on, let's go.
I need a complaint
I need
form.
you to step out. Come on, I need you to step
Whoa,
out.
you putting hands on me? What are you doing?
doing?
Look at you. What are you doing? I'm like, yo, what are you doing? Get off.
Get up!
What are you doing? Oh, look, he threw me down the steps.
So where do we
Get
go?
up!
What are you doing?
Yo, what you doing? Get up!
What are you doing? I'm trying to get up. What are you doing?
No,
Come on.
What are you doing? Look. They dragging me out.
Come on.
They dragging me out of the precinct. Look, throwing me down the steps. Yo, I'm suing the shit out of y'all. I'm suing the shit out of y'all. Get off me. I need names and badge.
get out of here.
Names and badge. I need names and badge. Y'all dragging me. Y'all dragging me out of the precinct. Y'all dragging me out of the precinct.
Have an emergency, please hang up and dial 911. If this is a non-emergency, such as a noise complaint, you may call 311 or select from the following options.
For a report number, press 1. For the detective squad, press 2. Wait while I transfer your call.
For precinct PA Williams, how may I help you?
How are you doing? So we're calling from California, and we're trying to find out if there was a gentleman that was just inside the precinct now, and we were sent the video, so we're gonna run a news story on it. But we're trying to find out if the gentleman was arrested.
Wait.
We're trying to find out if the gentleman was arrested or not.
Who are you?
We are we are a pro police organization, and we follow these guys
hang
that.
on. I'll get someone else to take care.
All right, folks. The woman put me on hold forever, so I hung up and called back. Here's the disclaimer. From my understanding, it's not against the law to lie to cops. Let's keep in mind that they always lie to the people. So in this phone call, as well as some of the other phone calls I've done in the past, I tell them that I'm part of a police support group. Somehow that seems to get me someone on the line. I once had a cop agree with me that we should get rid of cameras and the First Amendment. Let's call this the dangling donut technique. It's not against the law to ask questions. In fact, freedom of press and speech is part of the First Amendment. You're going to hear me make some statements. Of course, they're not all true. Well, let's just say not everything I say is a lie either. You're about to hear me try to get through to their thick skulls and the shell that holds their incompetence and stupidity. All right, folks, here's the phone call.
Listen,
Hi, who am I speaking with?
who am I speaking with?
I'm trying to get some information.
Is this the gentleman I was just talking to?
No, I just called right now. This is my first time calling.
Oh, okay. Your voice sounds familiar. How can I help you?
So, yeah, actually, I'm trying to get some information regarding the gentleman that was inside the building. We want to know if he was arrested. We're actually a police
You're
support group.
calling from the same. That's right. You're with the gentleman that I just spoke to.
No.
All right. I went to get a sergeant for you. Please don't hang up, okay?
Okay.
Because the prior person hung up by the time the sergeant got here. Hang on one moment.
All right.
48 Precinct Sergeant Russo, how can I help you?
How you doing today? So we're with a police support group, and we follow around some of these guys who try to make police look bad. So we were just sent a video of a guy who was, I guess, I don't know if he was arrested or not, but we know that they're going to try to spin it and try to make you guys look bad. That way we can make
Yeah, we can't give out that information.
You guys can't give out the information. Can you at least let me know if he was arrested or not?
I cannot at this time.
And can I get...
If you're looking for a comment, you can call the Deputy Commissioner of Public Information, and they'll give you a comment.
All right, can I get your name again?
Sure, it's Sergeant Russo, R-U-S-S-O.
R-U-S-S-O. Okay, and really quick...
Like I said, contact the Deputy Commissioner of Public Information for any statement.
Okay, I do have one quick question, though. Maybe you can help me out with this. So we're trying to find out exactly if recording is allowed inside the precincts. We know that we're actually based out of California. We run one of the biggest police support groups out of the whole United States. So we're actually trying to help you guys out here. And
okay. Recording is not allowed inside the police facility.
It's not inside. Is there a penal code behind that?
Is there, off the top of my head, I don't know, but it's the policy of the New York City Police Department that there's no recording inside any facility.
Okay, the one that we found was 195.05, and we've gone in depth into that one, and we're actually trying to see if there's anything else that's close to that, because from our understanding, and now we've already dealt with a lot of the channels in California, and we've actually were able to help the police stations out here from Los Angeles all the way to San Francisco. And so we're seeing that this thing is spreading wide really fast. So what we want to do is try to find out any penal codes that may specify and help.
The policy of this police department is there's no recording inside the facility. And if somebody is recording, they don't get arrested for recording. They're asked to leave the facility. And if they refuse to leave the facility, then with a warning, then they may be charged with trespassing. So that's our policy. So the penal law we don't record anybody for strictly recording.
Okay, so then does that mean that the people are actually getting arrested for trespassing?
Possibly, depending on the scenario. But every scenario is different.
Okay, can I just inform you that in California, we were actually seeing the same thing happening 5 or 6 years ago, and we were actually able to help all the police departments out here so that they won't receive lawsuits regarding this. And so things were changed. All the signs were taken down throughout the police departments out here. We've even gone to the training facilities, and we were able to help the training facilities as well. That way they wouldn't receive lawsuits. And that's what we are trying to do.
That's something you would have to contact One Police Plaza with. That's not something we can do at the precinct level.
Okay, well, I appreciate you answering some questions, Russo. And just so you know, man, we're on your side, and we're trying to help you guys out here because we don't want to see lawsuits happening.
I appreciate that. Thank you, and have a nice day. Happy New Year.
Listen, you fuckers, you screwheads. Here's a man who would not take it anymore. A man who who stood up against the scum, the cunts, the dogs, the filth, the shit. Here is someone who stood up.
First Amendment right, I'ma speak my mind. I don't care about how you feel, cause I'm living mine. Paid them tax dollars, I put in some overtime. Keep my camera rolling, I don't believe it was a crime. We cop watch, we gon' hold them accountable, they ain't about nothing. Cause we be standing our ground and we is not running. And this is our real life, so learn a lot from it. We cop watch, stand on my respect. Can't kneel up on my neck, can't search without no cause. Stop questioning my dog, ain't no pressing me. I'm right where I'm supposed to be. Keep the camera rolling on me, cause it's public property. I know my rights, I want to do, you know yours. What's the First Amendment? Of course, you got a badge, trying to reinforce yours. I am who I am, did what I did, I was where I went. Tax dollars, yeah, I spent, now I missed. Quick to harass me, too flashy of the color of my skin. Side of town that I'm on, or the tents on the Benz. I got rights and I learned the law, I ain't broken it since. I know the pigs just wanna see us in pen. I wonder what does it end? First Amendment right, I'ma speak my mind. I don't care about how you feel, cause I'm living mine. Paid them tax dollars, I put in some overtime. Keep my camera rolling, I don't believe it was a crime. We cop watch, we gon' hold them accountable, they ain't about nothing. Cause we be standing our ground and we is not running. And this is our real life, so learn a lot from it. We cop watch, can't duck 12, I tell them everything they represent, everything they know they not. I recite the document, 1A media, I'll turn you to a superstar. San Joaquin gon' educate you by your cop car. Preaching know your rights, cause it's time. You should get yours, cause I'm about to get mine. I'm teaching the course, so come and stand in this line. The footage so real, make sure you catch it online. Crooked or a bootlicker, we know what to do with you. We gon' let you speak your lies, then the truth hit you. Give you some education and some motivation. Cause I ain't gon' watch the pigs just bully the nation. First Amendment right, I'ma speak my mind. I don't care about how you feel, cause I'm living mine. Paid them tax dollars, I put in some overtime. Keep my camera rolling, I don't believe it was a crime. We cop watch, we gon' hold them accountable, they ain't about nothing. Cause we be standing our ground and we is not running. And this is our real life, so learn a lot from it. We cop watch, not so quick to call 911. Cause they pull up and they don't care who got the gun. They cuffing everybody, don't care who was the one. Guess we all Clifford, I bet we all differ. I pay way too much cash to get bullied by the law. Pulling up to the car with your gun, what's that for? Ain't nothing illegal on me, you still searching for more. You better put that phone out and record, we caught watching. First Amendment right, I'ma speak my mind. I don't care about how you feel, cause I'm living mine. Paid them tax dollars, I put in some overtime. Keep my camera rolling, I don't believe it was a crime. We cop watch, we gon' hold them accountable, they ain't about nothing. Cause we be standing our ground and we is not running. And this is our real life, so learn a lot from it. We cop watch.